Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be making a custom flood kind of diorama, kind of like this one, but meant for stop motion. So I'm really excited to be able to do some more stop motion here and continue with that kind of stuff. I really do enjoy it, but I need to kind of make like these side mocks to where I can actually get in there and really customize the area a little bit and be able to move the figures around. Also, if you're new to the channel, we're doing a 1K sub giveaway, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also ring that notification bell so you know when I make a new video. I make new videos pretty much every day, so definitely hit that notification bell so you can be there and watching it as soon as you can. Also, I want to do something kind of cool where I could have like a Halo hero, so like the Arbiter versus Master Chief, and they would be like fighting each other in a stop motion kind of way. So basically it could be like Sergeant Johnson versus Tartarus, or any of the other Halo heroes, or any figure at all that you would like to see in kind of a one-on-one fight. Let me know in the comment section down below if I should do that, and what kind of figures should I do first. Anyway guys, enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's just get right into it. Alright everyone, so there it is. This is a side piece, so you can do stop motion going pretty much between these two ways, and it's actually not that bad. I think it's going to work really well for what I'm going to try to do, and being able to combine it with both of these to be able to do some better camera angles will be very helpful. Honestly, you can do this with a lot of stuff, just having these side props, it doesn't even have to be with the flood stuff. It could be Forerunner, it can be outside, it can be a lot of different things, and this is really nice because it takes up minimal space and you can just kind of pull it out create your stop motion down here real quick, and then get your scene over with, and then pull out the next one or whatever it may be. It really helps out a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this was helpful to some people that are going to be doing stop motion. I'm still very new at stop motion. I'm trying to get better myself. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comment section down below what I should make next. I'm actually kind of bare on the whole ideas category right now. Some people have been commenting some really cool stuff. One guy commented like Halo 2 scene where Master Chief goes out of Cryo Station with the bomb. That was a really good idea. There's a bunch of other ones too that you guys always send me, but it's really hard to kind of figure out what to make and what's actually feasible for like a one-day kind of build, and it's a lot. So definitely out of some ideas, so put some stuff in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.